Hey, happy Friday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So I am super excited to announce what we are going to be calling the Season of AI promotion. So basically, all of you hopefully know at this point that we have a lot of great AI tools in the system, but we wanted to make it a lot easier for all of you to start experiencing these and getting them out to your customers. So we are starting a company-wide promotion today, and here's how it's going to work. So basically, from today, all the way till I believe I don't know what it's like, midnight of December 31st. But anyways, till the end of the year, all AI in the system is free. That's right. So we are going to be giving away all AI in the system for free to all of you so that you can have a chance to experience it, get it out to your customers. This includes the brand new inbound voice AI that we just announced, which is just crushing it for people. So we want to give all of you a chance to get out there and get that to your customers. So let's go over a couple of details here. Most importantly, you have to opt into this. So basically at the sub-account level or the agency level, see where it says opt in AI employee now, you have to do that. Click this white button here and you'll get a pop-up and you just follow the pop-up. It's very, very easy to do. Now, after, and then what happens after December 31st, this will roll back to a paid for option. There'll be, of course, you can do, we'll have an unlimited price then and also pay per use pricing then. So either way, there'll be an option for you. But for today, you have to opt in if you want it to be free. So definitely take advantage of this. Now you do it at the sub account level. So you go into your sub accounts and you can opt them in to use that. And you there's a wizard and it walks you through and it's no big deal. A couple of other cool things here is we're going to have a 3-day workshop called Start Your AI Agency with Billie Jean. If you go to saaspreneur.com, you can register for it. Also, we're going to have daily live Q&A sessions. So go to gohighlevel.com/advanced-AI-training. And of course, I'll try to put all of these links down below as well. So it helps you out and makes that a lot easier. Let's see, what other notes did I take here? I need to opt in the promotion sub account. That's cool. Set your billing preferences. Obviously, you can do that at the agency level. So, and the billing preferences are basically whether you want to resell it or not and markup and all that stuff. So check all of that out. And then also anyone who is already paying for the unlimited AI employee, don't worry, those subscriptions will be automatically paused and credited and will be resumed in January. Now there is a really detailed support doc here because as we all know, I am terrible at giving all the details. So go to help.gohighlevel.com and search AI employee promo. You cannot miss it. It is awesome, but I am just ecstatic at the fact that we're going to be doing this promotion because I think it's going to allow all of you to get AI into the hands of your customers faster and give them an opportunity to experience how great it is. I'm a huge nerdy fan of the inbound voice AI. If you check that out, basically it's the ability to automatically bring calls in and answer them using an AI voice agent. That's really good. And the cool thing about it is, remember, no A2P10 DLC is required for phone calls. So there's a lot less friction there. And you can set it up so that the calls roll automatically from the business phone number of the client. So they don't even have to get rid of or replace their existing phone number, and the AI becomes a backup only in the situation where they don't answer. So there's an easy way to sell this all day long to people without creating a friction. And theoretically, they don't even have to log into High Level. You can set it up all for them. So there's really cool stuff there. So definitely check out the inbound voice AI and also all the other AI we have for content creation, social media posting, funnel creation. All of that is now free between now and the end of the year. So anyways, on that note, I hope you're having an awesome Friday. I hope you're as excited about this as I am, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.